In the last video, I am discussing about exercise 1. So, in this chapter, you have learned the process DMAS, that means division, multiply, addition and subtraction. That means we can do the first process is division, then multiplication, then after addition and last is subtraction. So, in this exercise 2, you will read the same rule according to this one, BODMAS, bracket of D, divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. Bracket, here bracket includes 3 types of brackets, that means it is the big bracket, it is the middle bracket and so on. The last one is the short bracket, rounded bracket. Okay, the short bracket. So in this manner, first of all, we will solve in the first one, that is rounded bracket, short bracket, small bracket. Next, if the sum can be solved in this small bracket, it will give interchange into the middle bracket. That means afterward we will solve the sum including the middle bracket. Then afterwards the final bracket, the big bracket is here, and last one we will solve into the last bracket, that is big bracket, and so we will find our answer in the similar manner. So in these sums, exercise 2, I have written one question number 3 from your book. 32 middle bracket, 32 minus small bracket 15 plus 7, it is covered, then middle bracket multiplied by 2. If you see here the small bracket is present, so I will solve first of all the sum of the process of into the small bracket. So writing 32 as the same way, in the small bracket there is 15 plus 7. That means we will do at plus, we will do at addition process. It will give 22. Small bracket has been done and small bracket cannot be written further. अब उसको mention नहीं किया जाएगा. Now it is closed as middle bracket and multiplied by 2. Next, in the next step, in the middle bracket, some process is also given, 32 minus 22. Then I will subtract these sums as the similar process, that will give 10. That will give 10. And it is also multiplied by 2 as can written in the same way. So in the next step, in the final step, it is given here multiplied. 10 multiplied by 2. It will be answer as 20. And the answer will be 20. First of all, we will do in the sum in the small bracket. Next, from the middle bracket. And last one, sum is giving the answer. Sum is giving our answer. In a similar manner, if you write question number 4 from your book, the big bracket is given here, middle bracket is also given and small bracket. In this sum, at first we will do the process of small bracket. Small bracket, in the small bracket it is given as 32 divided by 4. That means we will do the division process here. It will give the answer 8. Now small bracket is done and small bracket is not covering here. Now it will turn into the middle bracket. In the middle bracket it is given here 44 minus 8. That means we will do the same process, same sum in the process subtraction. In the given is the middle bracket. It is given in the middle bracket. So 44 minus 8, it will give 36. And the middle bracket is also done. It will not written further. Now in the middle, from the middle bracket, it will be considered as, it is considered as big bracket. In the big bracket, 32 plus 36 is written here. That means we have to do addition process. We have to do addition process in the similar manner. We will do add in the numbers 32 and 36. This will give 68. This will give our answer 68. So, by deciding these sums, also many sums are given here according to the BODMAS rule. Sum has big bracket, small bracket, middle bracket, and obviously the of function. Of function is also the multiply function, but it is written as of and concluded as multiply. Concluded between two numbers will be multiply. Now take one example. Question number 7. Question number 7 is also giving here some information about question number 7. 40 divided by 1 plus 6 minus 2 plus 5. Look at the sum. In this sum, you will see some many new process. New process means the overline process. Overline means this process. That means man told me that you have to do the small bracket function first of all. But in the first bracket, some other functions are also given and it will be the prior function. ये सबसे पहले वाला फंक्शन होगा जो ओवरलाइन किया हुआ है. That means it can be written as 40 divided by 1 in the same way plus 6 minus 2. That means here it is overlined. So we will do the process of subtraction at first. It will give plus 4. That means 5 plus 5 is given here. Now 40 divided by, now we will do the process of summation in the giving of middle bracket. Giving in the middle bracket. This will imply the plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4 gives 5 and also plus 5. Now at first division process. Here 40 divided by 5. It is division process and we will do first of all division. That means it gives 8 and plus 5. Now the addition. But at last we will do the addition process and there is no subtraction process, we will not do. Here it implies 13 as our answer. It gives 13 as our answer. So mind the signs, the symbols of functions and also the brackets. Now let us take one example. As question number 13, 40 plus 3 multiplied. Here it is not any sign is given. Not is any sign given. So it will be considered as multiplication. 34 minus 18 minus 14 overline, middle bracket closed, divided by 3 big bracket, 6 into 2 plus 17 minus 2 multiplied by 7 in the small bracket and the big bracket is closed. Now we will do as here. First of all, we will do the process of 18 minus 14, that is overline, that is considered to be first. We will write as 18 minus 14 as the answer is 4. Okay, now it can be written in the same way, 6 into 2 plus 17 minus, but in this term, I have seen that it is given 2 into 7 in the small bracket. So small bracket function is doing the first 14 and big bracket is closed. Now 14 plus 3 multiplied. Here it is not any sign is given, so it can be multiplied by the prior term. A term is multiplied by 3. Now in the middle bracket it is given as 34 minus 4. It will be 30. That means subtraction. Middle bracket closed. Divided by 3 multiplied. Here you can see 6 into 2. There is plus and there is minus. So in the bracket we will also follow these rules. We will also follow these rules by multiplying, then addition and then subtraction. At first we will do the multiply. 12 plus 17 minus 14, big bracket closed. Now 14 plus 3, it can be written as 3 into 30. 3 multiplied by 30 divided as 3. Here you can see the positive numbers are two numbers, 12 and 17. It can be added as 29 minus 14, big bracket closed. Now 14 plus 3 into 30. That means multiplied as, can be written as 3 into 30. We will discuss later about this topic. Now in this term 29 is 14. 29 minus 14 is given. So I will do subtraction here. 29 minus 14 equal to gives 15. That means in the big bracket. Now in the next term, it will be multiplied as 90. You will see that I am doing the multiplying process here. That means these terms are the same, in the same form. So this term is multiplied as 3 is the whole number. It will give the whole number. Now divide. It will give the whole number. 3 into 15. That means 45. And now the division process. Division process is given here. 45. That means 90 is divided by 45. It implies, it gives your answer. That means 2 times. And at the last, these two numbers will be added. 40 plus 2. This gives your answer 16. This gives your answer 16. So in this manner, you should follow your rules, the BODMAS, and also please be careful for the symbols and the bracket functions. So let us continue your subject exercise 2. You have to do rest of the sums given in your worksheet 4. And please do practice more for these math sums. Thank you.